5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome and thanks for joining me today. If you have followed About Space, we have done several programs that have talked about the possibility of an asteroid striking Earth. Well, NASA and Applied Physical Labs of Johns Hopkins University have teamed together to kick any asteroid away that comes close to Earth. The project is called DART, Double Asteroid Reduction Test, and I'll have details next as America and the world are listening to About Space today. This is your host of About Space, inviting you to our fall Come and See the Space Coast. Stay at the Best Western on Cocoa Beach on any Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights. Included are 2 tickets to the Kennedy Space Center, plus enjoy a full breakfast daily and all the amenities at this oceanfront hotel for just $215 per person, tax included, for 4 days and 3 nights. Yes, $215 per person for 4 days and 3 nights at the Best Western Oceanfront Resort. This is an exclusive offer for About Space today, so take advantage of it. For more information or reservations, email ddcruisand@tours.com or call 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. And come and see the Space Coast. Welcome back. DART is targeted to launch at 1:20 a.m. Eastern Time on November the 24th aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The mission aims to shift an asteroid's orbit through kinetic impact. With more is Andy Rifkin and the APL team.
DART is the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. The Earth is hit by asteroids and pieces of asteroids all the time. Every year or so, we get hit by things maybe the size of a table. The kind of object that DART is going to visit is an object that's about the size of the Washington Monument. Those kinds of objects hit us every few thousand years, and they would cause severe damage on a regional scale.
We chose to do this demonstration at a binary asteroid. It's called Didymos.
Mostly what we're looking to do is change the speed of the incoming object by maybe a centimeter per second or so. So that's not very fast, but if you do it enough seconds in advance, you can cause it to miss the Earth entirely.
DART is a part of a larger collaboration called AIDA, which pulls in all the experts of the world who can help their governments predict and understand what it is that they can do and should do in the event that there was an incoming threat. The DART mission that APL is pulling together will be the first mission in that flight line.
DART is the first mission to fly the next Sea Ion engine. It is the first mission to demonstrate smart navigation, which means we're going to be guiding ourselves into the asteroid autonomously.
At about 4 hours out from impact, SmartNav is kicked in, and what it does is it uses the imagery from the optical payload, basically the camera that's on DART, and from the imagery we are able to discern Didymos A from Didymos B. We have a targeting algorithm that differentiates the two, and we are aiming for Didymos B.
The other part of this is the propulsion system that we're demonstrating. The Next Sea propulsion system is utilizing a new generation of gridded ion propulsion technology, and it's what we're using to allow us to get to the asteroid, but also allow us a flyby of an object prior to our actual encounter.
For this vehicle to be able to supply the power for the electric propulsion engine, we needed higher power output. ROSA allows us to be able to have a very compact and light mass for launch and then deploy these really large arrays once we're out there in space.
Our planetary launch window opens on 2021 and will impact the asteroid in 2022. We're very excited to be NASA's first planetary defense mission.
the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physical Labs team, and NASA will be providing live coverage of the launch. Be sure to have your family and friends listen each Tuesday with me on About Space Today and on Fridays, America in Space, with Dawn Meyer from Florida's Space Coast. And follow us on Facebook for About Space Today news updates at aboutspace.today. And our Tuesday shout-out goes to Poland, with its many listeners who enjoy our weekly programs. And to all our friends and listeners around the globe and here in the United States, thank you for listening. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.